Hello, and today we'll be discussing some few terminologies of algebraic expression. The first one is like and unlike term. The next is monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. So let us take the first subtopic, like and unlike terms. Now, what is like term? Like term is a terms or a group of terms with the same algebraic factors. So then what becomes unlike terms? Unlike terms is a group of terms with a different, you can say, algebraic factors. So to give an example of like terms, I would give so here you can see that the algebraic factors which contains the variables in both the terms are same. Here the algebraic factor is xy, and in 4xy also the algebraic factor is xy. Algebraic factors means the variable or a group of variables present in a term. So here both of them are same, then they become like terms. To give you an example of unlike term, so here you can see that in this example, minus 3xy, xy is an algebraic factor, and in minus 3x square, x square is an algebraic factor. As they both contain different algebraic factors, they are termed as unlike terms, or they are not the same like terms. To give you a further example in this, I'll take one collection of terms and then ask you to group them. Now, in this you can clearly see that the first term contains x as an algebraic factor. So whichever the term having x as an algebraic factor will be grouped in this. So here, as 46x is containing x as an algebraic factor, it will be grouped in this for like terms. Now let me take second example of minus 12. Here minus 12 means that there is no algebraic factor in it. So you can see here, as 48 is also a constant, they both become a like terms. And in the third example, 86y, here y is an algebraic factor. Now this is the term which is having the same algebraic factor. So minus 66y will be grouped here. So this all becomes now the like terms grouping. I hope this is clear to you. Let me go to the next topic, where we'll be talking about what is monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Now, a monomial is an expression with only one term. For example, a, 4x, 4xy. This all becomes monomial because they only have a single term in it, or only one term in it. Binomial is an expression with more than one but less than 3. That means two numbers of terms. So here but the catch here is, if I write something like this, this also becomes two terms. But binomial actually means two unlike terms. So here this cannot be considered as binomial, as this is more of 2x, which comes into a group of a monomial. So here a binomial is an expression which contains two terms, but both of these two terms should be unlike terms, like a plus b, 4x plus 3, 4xy plus 3, and so on. Here x plus x, which eventually makes 2x, is not a monomial, but is a group of is not a binomial, is a group of monomial. So then come to the next definition. What is trinomial? Trinomial is a group of three unlike terms. Okay, coming to the next definition, then what is polynomial? Polynomial is an expression with more than one term. So here binomial, trinomial, all are a polynomial. So I'll give you an example for a polynomial, which can be a plus b plus 3 and so on. Now I'll give you some examples for both like and unlike terms and to distinguish between monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. So here is a group of examples. You have to actually decide that which of them so you can pause here and try on your own, or you can go ahead with this. So here the first term a plus b. So here you can see that a and b are two unlike terms. As they are two unlike terms, they will be considered more as a binomial. Now here it's ab plus a plus 9. As there are three terms in it, it is considered trinomial. Here in this example you can see AB plus AB, but here AB and AB are both of them as a like terms. So this equation more becomes as 2AB plus A and therefore is considered as a binomial. Same way this equation becomes, because of the like term ABC or BAC, the manner in which the product is formed, ABC or BAC, it actually does not matter because both of them have the same algebraic factor ABC. So this eventually becomes again a binomial. So this gives you a clear idea how we can distinguish between a monomial, binomial and a trinomial. So I'll emphasize once more on the like and unlike terms. So can you group this? Examples into like and unlike terms before we actually move to the next topic. So in the first example you can see that the algebraic factor is x and y. So this actually becomes unlike terms. In the next example the algebraic factor is x. So this becomes like term. In the next example the algebraic factor is mn square and mn. So as they are different, this becomes unlike terms. And here again the algebraic factor is n, so this becomes a like term. Remember, the like and unlike terms are more determined or are only determined by the algebraic factor. It has nothing to do with the coefficient or the numeric coefficient. So here you can say that though the numeric coefficient is 15 here and minus 21 here, but as the algebraic factors is x and remain same, both of them are considered as like term. So I hope this is clear to you what is a like term, unlike term, and what is monomial, binomial, trinomial and a polynomial. Thank you.